The Brandenburg Gate is located in the heart of Berlin. It is an iconic symbol of the city's rich history and a significant landmark of European history. Built in the late 18th century, this neoclassical triumphal arch has witnessed numerous historical events, serving as a symbol of unity, triumph, and peace. The Brandenburg Gate is a popular tourist attraction and a powerful testament to Germany's resilience and progress over the centuries. Here are some interesting facts about Brandenburg Gate. Number 1. The Brandenburg Gate was commissioned by King Frederick William II of Prussia as a grand entrance to the city of Berlin. Number 2. The gate was built between 1788 and 1791. Number 3. Standing at a height of over 26 meters or 85 feet, the gate is adorned with 12 Doric columns, 6 on each side. Number 4. The quadriga, a statue of the goddess of victory driving a chariot pulled by 4 horses, sits atop the gate. Number 5. The quadriga statue was stolen by Napoleon's army in 1806. It was returned after 8 years. Number 6. During the Cold War, the Brandenburg Gate became a symbol of division between East and West Berlin, as it was located near the Berlin Wall. Number 7. The gate was inaccessible to the public during the division of Berlin, and only high-ranking officials were allowed to pass through it. Number 8. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 marked a historic moment when the Brandenburg Gate became a symbol of German reunification and the end of the Cold War. Number 9. The Brandenburg Gate underwent significant restoration and reconstruction in the 2000s to restore its original grandeur. Number 10. The gate is often used as a backdrop for important events and celebrations, including New Year's Eve fireworks and major sports events. Number 11. The gate is featured on the German euro coins with the denomination of 10, 20, and 50 cents. Number 12. The Brandenburg Gate is part of the Museum Island and Historic Center of Berlin UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 13. The gate is illuminated at night, creating a stunning visual spectacle and enhancing its grandeur. Number 14. The gate has been depicted in various forms of art, literature, and media, solidifying its status as an iconic symbol of Berlin and Germany. Number 15. The Brandenburg Gate was featured on a postage stamp issued by East Germany in 1966. Number 16. The gate has undergone several significant historical events, including the Prussian occupation of Paris in 1814 and the Nazi propaganda marches during World War II. Number 17. It is estimated that around 1 million people gathered at the Brandenburg Gate to celebrate the German national football team's victory in the 2014 FIFA World Cup. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.